Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made and step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
This one is cleared for inspection.
Weight is logged.
Take it to Bay 4.
How cocoa liquor, sugar, and milk powder blend for balance and flavor.
The blending ratio is unstable right here.
Noted. I am adjusting the temperature curve parameters now.
The viscosity levels spiked here at 1400 hours. Is the regulator responding?
It appears stable now. Blending ratio remains optimal.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is made, from start to finish.